Antonyms. Antonym is a word or phrase that has the opposite meaning as another word or phrase. Ask, answer. Ask, answer. Push, pull. Push, pull. Fresh, stale. Fresh, stale. All, none. All, none. Cool, warm. Cool, warm. Right, left. Right, left. Teach, learn. Teach, learn. Success, failure. Success, failure. Rural, urban. Rural, urban. Lose, win. Lose, win. Cheap, expensive. Cheap, expensive. High, low. High, low. Dry, wet. Dry, wet. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Strong, weak. Strong, weak. Buy, sell. Buy, sell. Early, late. Early, late. Big, small. Big, small. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Soft, hard. Soft, hard. Clean, dirty. Clean, dirty. Easy, difficult. Easy, difficult. Useful, useless. Useful, useless. Sweet, sour. Sweet, sour. Loud, quiet. Loud, quiet. Laugh, cry. Laugh, cry. Major, minor. Major, minor. Slim, fat. Slim, fat. Thick, thin. Thick, thin. Young, old. Young, old. Safe, dangerous. Safe, dangerous. Victory, defeat. Victory, defeat. Save, spend. Save, spend. Wide, narrow. Wide, narrow. Body, soul. Body, soul. Ignore, notice. Ignore, notice. Sun, moon. Sun, moon. Near, distant. Near, distant. Never, always. Never, always. odd, even, odd, even. New, ancient, new, ancient. Private, public, private, public. Death, birth, death, birth. Deep, shallow, deep, shallow. Empty, full, empty, full. Harvest, plant, harvest, plant. Above, below, above, below. Already, not yet, already, not yet. Artificial, natural, artificial, natural. Close, open, close, open. Finish, start, finish, start. Complete, incomplete, complete, incomplete.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.